3-Axis CNC Profile Machining Center. The 3-Axis T-Table CNC Machining Center integrates milling, drilling, tapping, and chamfering into one automated machining solution. It is specially designed for curtain walls, doors and windows, rail transit, aerospace, lightweight automotive components, and consumer electronics, enabling multiple precision machining operations in a single setup. The T-shaped cast work table structure provides high rigidity and excellent stability, ensuring reliable support for high-speed machining. The 3-axis transmission system uses precision ground linear guides combined with ball screw drives. The guides are precision ground for smooth motion without stick slip, while the preloaded ball screws eliminate backlash for zero reverse positioning error. The machine delivers excellent rigidity, fast response, and long-term machining accuracy. The 5-position tool magazine adopts a horizontal fixed design with a capacity of 5 tools. Designed specifically for aluminum profile machining, the compact structure does not interfere with the machining travel. The automatic tool setting system uses a contact-type tool setter integrated at a fixed position on the work table. It supports tool breakage detection and thermal deformation compensation. It ensures consistent machining accuracy after tool changes without manual intervention. 2 high-precision machine vices are mounted on the T-slot work table. Positioned through the table reference slots, they significantly improve repeat clamping accuracy. The machine is equipped with a Taiwan Syntec control system capable of controlling multiple axis groups simultaneously. Its comprehensive multi-axis control and multi-program functions enhance operational flexibility. It is well suited for complex synchronized machining tasks. The unique contour monitoring system maintains machining accuracy even during high-speed milling operations. The machine is equipped with a high-power, high-speed electric spindle. The spindle and servo motor utilize a full closed-loop direct drive system. This configuration provides high rigidity, superior accuracy, and stable operation. It can efficiently perform a wide range of operations from rough milling to fine finishing, and from drilling to tapping. This machine is widely used for aluminum profile machining across various industries. It offers the key advantages of full automation, high precision, and outstanding flexibility. With the automatic tool magazine and tool setting system, unattended continuous production becomes possible. This significantly increases productivity for batch manufacturing.